It's the second time I'm going to use my voice. Yeah, I don't know how to fix this, but if you should see in the video, it's like, there's a broken piece of this that was here, and I kind of ripped it out, and I can't undo this, so I got a desoldering pan, but it's just so small. Excuse the background noise. But it's just so small, I can't even do it. So if I attempt to do it again with a soldering iron, because I love soldering stuff. I soldered a speaker in, first ever actual probably success. Melting it now. I'm just a bit, maybe just a bit idiotic I am, but yeah, I'm not a pro, not even an amateur yet, I'm a novice. I don't know how to say it. Oh, thanks for subscribing, whoever you are, last subscriber. Please explode my channel up. I'm trying to earn the money from it, wait. So, thanks for doing stuff like this. I'm really grateful for my 7 subscribers. I've got. Please tell me down in the comments if I'm doing something wrong. I really need help. Yeah, I didn't have an official welcome, so yeah, welcome back to my channel. Melted so much stuff, stinks now, oh god. I just melted another part. I should not keep so much flammable stuff, so good. Rubik's cubes are up there now, keeping them safe. Keep on knocking this. So, yeah. What's your favourite food? Comment down below, then I might make it. And then, you rate it. What do you think about that new video, guys? I kind of do stand the price.